Silicone Care are offered in a variety each with unique features, benefits, and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the best Silicone Care Form trustworthy brands of assist you in making a discussion after extensive investigation. I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you are curious to learn more about the prices and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch in video. Medical grade silicone tape. Our silicone scar tape is made with 100% soft hospital medical grade soft silicone. It's non-irritating and easily applied and removed, provides pain-free removal and reposition. Washable and reusable. Silicone scar strips patches are made of a medically approved silicone film that is soft, flexible, breathable, and waterproof. Silicone scar strips are very durable and can be washed and reused many times because they contain no glue. Suitable for all ages. This medical silicone scar sheets is free of any latex and Teflon. These silicone strips work on new and old scars and are safe for children and adults. Just cut it according to the size and shape of the scar. Ideal for a variety of scar. Advanced Silicone Scar Sheets is ideal for a variety of scars, including surgical scars, C-section scars, and acne scars. It also helps with most scar types caused by hypertrophic, post-acne, keloid, injuries and burn scars, and stretch marks. C-section recovery must-haves. Easy to apply and remove, the medical-grade silicone mimics the natural skin barrier, preventing further skin damage and providing bandage stability. Our long scar removal sheets are soft, lightweight, and breathable. It can be used day and night with clothes on and leaves no residue behind. Feel no discomfort while using and peeling it off. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.